If you use Windows every day, there's one secret weapon that can save you tons of time: the Windows Plus R shortcut. Also known as the Run command, it's like a backdoor into the most powerful features of your computer. And today, I'll show you the ultimate guide to the best Windows Plus R shortcuts you need to know. Let's start simple. Press Windows Plus R, type CMD, and hit Enter. Boom! The command prompt opens instantly, letting you run commands, check your network, or troubleshoot your system. Next, try msconfig. This opens the System Configuration tool, where you can manage startup programs, boot settings, and advanced system options. Perfect for speeding up your PC. Want quick access to Device Manager? Just type devmg.msc. Here, you can update drivers, check connected hardware, and fix device issues. For those who like customizing their system, type Control to launch the classic control panel, or appwiz.cpl to jump straight into programs and features, where you can uninstall apps in seconds. Need to check your system performance? Type Resmon for Resource Monitor or Perfman for Performance Monitor. Both give you real-time stats on how your CPU, memory, and disk are being used. And here's a favorite. Type temp or %temp% to instantly open your temporary files folder. This is the easiest way to clear junk files and free up storage space on your PC. If you work with networking, try nkpod.cpl to open network connections, or inetpool.cpl to adjust internet options. Super handy when you need to fix Wi-Fi or proxy issues. Finally, type regedit to launch the registry editor. Just be careful, because this tool controls the deepest parts of your system. The beauty of Windows Plus R is that it works on every version of Windows, from Windows 7 all the way to Windows 11. Once you memorize these shortcuts, you'll feel like a power user, zipping through tasks without endless clicks. So next time you're on your PC, don't just rely on the mouse. Press Windows Plus R, type a command, and unlock the hidden power of your computer. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.